Okay, people, what's going on? How's everybody doing this Thursday afternoon, this evening, or whatever you want to call it? How's everybody? Today, I'm going to talk about something that's very important for those who are in home business. Okay, now what you need to understand to be successful in home business. Now, you have to understand the structure of your home business. Okay, what I mean by that? Well, most home businesses in the network marketing direct sales have either a 643 or 964 business structure. What does that mean? Well, that's what I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you based off of my experience and who I'm affiliated with and how that structure is done. Doesn't matter who you're with, who the ones you're with, you all have a business structure, but without understanding the business structure, you will not understand how to market properly or how to build that home business because you don't understand where you need to work with. Okay, it's not just about working with you work. The home business is about a team of entrepreneurs building together, but it's building leadership. Once you start understanding this is a leadership process, you'll know when or where to spend time at. Let's go look at this. I have a PowerPoint down in Amway's one. This is how this is how the diamond business structure is set up. This is how diamonds actually earn six figures because of the business structure. So this one here. This is their business structure. It says monthly from their groups. There's about $200, okay, plus $5,000 from your downline platinums. Okay, that's an extra $5,000. That's 900. That's 948 plus 6 from your downline platinums. This is how all this works out. Okay. But from what you need to understand is that everyone, this is from a 6-4 platinum structure. Most of them we worked from was from a 9-6-3. Doesn't matter because if our averages out to this. And what you need to understand is that, okay, let me go to here. Okay, here we go. I have your business plan. Here it is. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today, most of the time, you have to have an equal amount of business partners and customer base. Okay, this is what has gotten most network marketing companies in trouble because all they were doing was recruiting and buying products, and they want to call themselves a business. They didn't have a customer structure. Okay, this is very important to understand this, people. Today, any of y'all in home business doing network marketing, whatever, you have to have a certain amount of customer base with your partner structure. Without it, you can get hit by that. The companies will get hit by the FCC and the Federal Trade Commission, FCC, Federal Communications, and FTC, okay? And some companies have been hit by these things because they base their structure off of just recruiting business partners and didn't have a customer base. Has to be a certain amount of customer base versus partner structure. Without it, basically they'll fine you. And they've shut down a few companies for doing that. Okay. Here's a few of them. Okay. Business plan step. This is the third step through. Most of us have this is what our performance-based thing is. 6% up to 21%. I think it's going up to 25% now. Okay. But what you got to understand is that knowing where to market is going to be very important based off the business structure. let me go back to here, okay? What a lot of you don't understand and why you struggle in home business is because you gotta understand your frontline people are your profitability. The more you go, what they call wide in the business, it's your profitability. When you go, let me go here. When you start going deep in here, you gotta find the people who are the leaders in here. You don't, just because you're down here, this is where you find the leaders. And what you do is you market to your profitability, the leaders in the profitability. They're the ones who will help find those. If you market to these people properly, they will help build your organization out. But the biggest problem is in network marketing now, they're doing this stuff more in this recruiting and not knowing how to market in tools and stuff and how to make the business run through finding leaders. The leaders are in deep here. This is what's gonna build your security in your business through your home business. But one of the biggest problems with that is you're dealing with people. And this is why you don't, this is showing you don't, and like we said, you don't, most of the people who do this is a hard thing to do, but you gotta market properly, all right? And these are the companies that they follow. They kind of do this, they follow this 963 thing, all these companies. I think Vima got hit a couple of years ago with that thing. I'm not sure about Zango. Metaluca, I think, is still around. Usana's still around. I've never heard of this Polaris Resort. There's a bunch of network marketing, home-based business and World Adventures. But no matter who their leadership, no matter how they are, most of them follow this type of structure in business. That's the structure of the network marketing business. Some people will call it a pyramid. Others, this is an upside down pyramid. But what we do in our business team, without business, without knowing how to lead generate, without lead, you have no business. And this is why we don't chase family and friends. We build traffic through capture pages, follow up, and sales made, okay? Sales meaning not just product and service, tools that people need to maybe to generate traffic. We will, with our organization, you will get a capture page, or you'll get a few capture pages. I'll leave a link about that on here at the end of this thing. In fact, maybe I'll just put that on here. Let me insert that. Nope, go back. New slide. Okay. Let's see if I can put text box. Okay. I'm creating something here. Right. I go here. Okay. Let's go. Let me do it. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I want to do it. I'll let you go. Here I go. Go to my newsletter at Gregory. Go to my newsletter, smith.online. We'll get information on how to get on my newsletter. On my newsletter, plus I have send you information on how to get involved with our team as far as how to get involved with the system that we use as far as marketing. You can try out our newsletter team. Get on the newsletter, and we'll send you information on how to try out our system. Get some information, try out some of the templates that we use, some of the converting templates that we use. Let me put this up here. Yes, you can do it. You too can do a newsletter or do a, excuse me. Okay. You too can do a PowerPoint presentation online like I just did. This is a PowerPoint presentation, folks. So, and like I said, back here, if you understand this part of the structure of any marketing, home-based business, this is where our profitability starts. They got to steer, they go wide and then go deep, which is the security in the business. But you go wider, you get more stuff like this. Okay, with that being said, I hope you got value. Let me go back and shut this down. Close that. Okay, let me go back and close that. This is this little thing that when you understand the structure of your business. I'm not sure which one you're in, but check online, check your sponsor, whatever, and then you'll know how to generate leads for your business and where to help others in your organization to do the same. Okay, with that being said, I hope you got value from this little tutorial on how to build structure, on what to know about your structure in your business, how to understand the structure in your business, because it's very important. In fact, I'm gonna probably leave a blog post and give some more details on what you need to know about your structure in your home-based business, whatever organization you're with, because it's very important. Do you know where to work in it and where not to work in it, and how to work in it? Okay, with that being said, I hope you got value from this little tutorial. My name is Greg Smith. Share this out if you got value. Give it to some people that may not understand it. With that being said, I'm out of here. Take care, peace, and we'll see you in that next video. Later.